Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix we have run into a problem and Apple ID creation error. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to create a new Apple ID, but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to create a new Apple ID, you might see the error, which is we have run into a problem. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. You can also try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. Then go back and go to your settings app, go to general here, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, simply go back from here and go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating software, go back and go to language region option, select region and select your own region in which you're living. Then go back, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset and then tap on reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode, then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it might be fixed in this step and you will not get the issue again. So after resetting your settings, you just have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix manage glitches. Not to do this, just quickly personally the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to use your browser to create a new Apple ID. So just go to browser and simply search for appleid.apple.com. So just search for this website, appleid.apple.com. So you might get it into the suggestions, or you can directly search for this website. And here now on this website, you can easily create a new Apple ID. Just tap on this arrow option, then tap on create your Apple account, and you can easily create your Apple account using your browser, or you can also use the same website on any other device. It might be your PC or your any other phone. So once you have done, you can easily create a new Apple ID from here. Or if you're still facing the same issues, or it might be a server error, or you can also try to wait for almost 1 hour or 2 hours, or sometimes it might take 24 hours to recover. So just try to wait for that, or you can try to contact with Apple Support team to get official help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. And here just select more products, then tap on Apple account. And here you just have to look for creating Apple account. Just tap on other Apple account topics, then tap on creating an Apple account, and here just wait for the loading, then tap on get more help, then tap on colors. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.